Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank everyone who has subscribed so far. And if you subscribe today, I thank you too. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I ate on Wednesday. This is something I do every month, just once a month at the moment. But it is what I will eat on a typical Wednesday. This time it's dairy free because I'm just trying well, eventually I'll rule out everything and then I'll start gradually introducing things again. So this is dairy free. So this is the dairy free day. So if you also are dairy free, this is great for you, but also gives you some options for other things too. So let's begin. So for breakfast I had one slice of white toast with strawberry jam on. For lunch we had chicken, broccoli and black bean stir fry, which is a Hello Fresh recipe. If you'd like to try it, that will be in the description box down below. Because the weather is really hot in the UK at the moment, I fancied some ice cream, so I had Ben & Jerry's non-dairy, so dairy-free chocolate fudge sundae ice cream. So for tea, I had vegetable fingers in a wrap with some ketchup, and this is all dairy free too. It's actually really nice. It's the first time I've had it, but it was so nice. Then for a snack in the evening, I had a small bowl of chipsticks, and these were really nice. And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below what you eat on a typical Wednesday. And if you are dairy free, please comment down below your favourite dish to cook. Please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post, and thanks for watching. Bye!